ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I know that we're an outdoor channel. I also haven't posted in 3 weeks, so don't get on my case. Doesn't matter. I'm busy in quarantine. We're building a computer for somebody. I don't know. I don't know. He's building a computer. You guys probably saw this on YouTube. This is supposed to be a $500 build. That's a lie. It totals out to like $647 or something like that. And I mean, I even went a little bit cheaper with the RAM. I'm not sure what kind of RAM this is. The box is laying around here somewhere. But we'll go over the parts. We're using a Ryzen 5 1600 unlock. We have the Gigabyte or Gigabit B450M, which is pretty identical to the Tomahawk. Oh, here it is. XPG Z1 RAM, which actually is kind of like a nice. It's actually a decent color. It's just red, but it's gonna go well with the does this light up? I don't even think this. No, it doesn't. Well, never mind. AMD red. Bull. Oh, the exhaust fan that I'm gonna have to put on, and I'm pretty sure that's RGB, which I'm not really a fan of this case because I'm probably gonna strip this down anyway. I'm actually probably gonna redo all these cables. But all in all, I'm probably gonna strip this down and then redo all the wiring. I don't really need to strip it all down. I only need to strip down just from the main, just where the power button is, stuff like that. I just want to make sure that it's perfect. And like I said, I could be really nitpicky with stuff like this. I could sit here for hours and just try to figure out how to do this. But if you look back here, which I know yikes right now, only because I have like cables running all over the place. And yes, I'm holding my beer close to a computer. I have enough confidence in myself not to spill that. So, we're gonna try and reconfigure all this. Just because it's just such a small case. I don't really have enough, I don't have a lot of space to work with. And it's not like I can really route anything. I know you can't see it, but there's this little hole. It's a little gap. And it's kind of difficult to weasel stuff in there when I don't have the most confidence in these little fixings. Just because I'm really not, I don't know. I'm just not confident with that little piece of plastic. I mean, it would be better if this fucking thing pushed out or something. Like if I could get some extra space. But, what are you gonna do? There's always room to upgrade and get a bigger case or, improve the build. But I would probably start with this build. I'd probably just get a bigger case after. And well, again, I'm not really stripping it down. We're just kind of pulling wires here right now. But first, let's pull this out. I also had a really hard time getting this graphics card in here, and I wasn't too happy about it. It was a very, very tight squeeze inside this. And I mean, if I could fit that card in there, I should have been able to get this in there, no problem. We're just gonna go put this back in the box. Actually, we're gonna put it on plastic, because that's probably where it's safest. I need to find my GoPro light. Stressed out now that we don't have that. We're just gonna pop that open just for now because I'm already pissed off. So that's okay. This is why we're an outdoor channel and not an indoor build computer channel. Okay. Why am I sitting down? I don't know. So yeah, I'll kind of turn it. I don't know what I'm looking at, guys. So bear with me here. We're good here, right? Yeah. All right. HD audio. Power LEDs. Power switch. And oh god, I got this thing in there like super tight. Oh, that'll make you cry. I literally can't believe that this board doesn't fit. Like, that still pisses me off, kinda. This is just gonna be forever the way that it is. The one thing that's been bothering me is this. Like, if I already have my 2 essential cables plugged in now, which is just the CPU, and then the, I don't even fucking know what I'm talking about, guys. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm talking about. There's pins in everything, okay? I know this goes to the graphics card. I know this, both of these connected to this motherboard. Jesus God, I'm spacing. This is the CPU, but I can't remember what this one was. Doesn't matter. Fuck it. Who cares? And I'm not censoring any of this either. Cause now I'm fucking livid. Sometimes I wish I could just fucking karate chop this thing in half. Okay, we're good there. And it's been pretty annoying. I don't know if any of you guys have ever built your own computers. Like, and I've done this so many times. It's just, you get stuck. Like, when you haven't seen everything. Because I haven't seen everything. You know, I usually do bigger cases. I've built way bigger computers. I've even done one with liquid cooling, like, but never in a small case where things were like really, really tight, and it's kind of annoying. It'll frustrate the shit out of you. Yeah, that's all done. Ugh. All right, yeah. Let's figure out how we're gonna finagle the dangle and the angle. You like that? 2.0? 3.0? Oh, it's got 2 3.0s. God damn. Alright. Okay. Mine doesn't even have that. My shit's only got 1. In my case, was $150 fucking dollars. Stop! Why are you trying to kill my dog? Trying to give my dog diabetes? It's fucked up, man.
I'm trying to give him the beatus.
You wanted the refresher from Stewart's.
I'll give you a fucking refresher.
This one because
I'll get a pain shot of that. Tiny. It's like hefty.
Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.
Alright, so from what you guys saw, right, this is my build. It was Asus board. I think it's a B350. It might be a B458. It's like A prime, I think. I can't remember. Kind of hard. Asus 1060 graphics card, which it has to be a Republic of Gamers. AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. I have 64 gigs of RAM in my system. I have 2 SSDs. One is a WD and the other one is the Inland. I also have 2 hard drives down here in the shroud. We're running out 500 bronze. I always just keep the sticker on just so people know, or I know. It's more of a reminder. I run 2 240mm fans in the front, one in the top, and 120mm exhaust fan in the back. And I think usually, like, everything is predominantly cool. This doesn't really overheat. I just actually cleaned this out. But yeah, that's it. That whole thing's probably gonna be chopped up, and you know, cause I got pretty nasty in there. I didn't want, but it ran. We booted it. it did post. Really, the only thing that's left is getting the Windows key, and then we could sell it. So I just get paid for the labor. I don't like not sell it. If I was gonna sell it, it would cost you $1,000 to buy it, because it cost a decent amount to put into it. So you got to make something. I mean, I could have probably, if I built that, I probably would sell for like $9. That's what store-bought PCs are basically. But those are all name brand parts. It's not like when you go to Walmart and you buy like an iBuyPower, or you buy any other crap from Best Buy, Walmart, whatever. Don't buy store-boughts. If you guys want to get into computers, just build your own computer. There's so many videos on YouTube that can tell you how to do it. There's guys like Bitwit. There's so many. Linus Tech Tips. The big guys. I like to watch them. But if you guys want to see more stuff like this, because it's probably gonna happen again, because you know, people aren't working, so people got to make money somehow. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, make sure you drop a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you hit the little bell up in the corner for your post notifications for the next time I post a video, which could be tomorrow, could be the next day, could be a week, 3 weeks from now. Who knows? I'm sporadic. That's how my life works. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Hopefully at the lake.